No, these are no Lego bricks, and these two gentlemen are not up to playing. They want no less than to revolutionize our energy consumption, with the help of some colored luster terminals, it seems. Some might consider this nonsense, but this is not the case at all, because these components are real technical marvels. A tiny chip enables even the most simple electronic devices, such as light bulbs, to communicate and save energy. Entirely without costly control techniques, all the information is transmitted through the existing electricity network. digitalSTROM, digital power, the system is called, that was developed at the Technical University of Zurich and that by now has found many supporters from politics and economy.
So jetzt denkt man, dass digitalSTROM eine
You may
komplizierte
think now
Sache
that
ist. Das ist
digitalSTROM is a complicated
Die,
thing,
Chips
but it's
und die
not.
Technik
It's all about a
ist ein
tiny
sehr
little
kleiner
chip no
Chip, der
bigger
ist
than
bis
4 on
4
6 millimeters.
groß.
It fits in every device, in every plug. You don't need additional cables, no new installations, and you don't need engineers. You just plug in your digital power-ready product and instantly these devices work together as a team.
Und ab da können diese Geräte im Team zusammenarbeiten.
The unimpressive chip withstands quite a lot, 230 volt, and it fits in even the smallest electronic appliance. Put the plug into the socket and instantly a simple clock radio works as a doorbell or as acoustic alarm system for fire and break-in. The entire lighting system is centrally controlled. Mood lightings are created and changed by a simple push on the button. The stereo is operated by the same switch as the roller shutters, heating and the air conditioning. It also works with a common remote control, because all the electronic appliances in the household are part of the same information network. To simplify matters, the various device groups and all other elements in the network are assigned to certain colors. Red means safety features, gray refers to the blinds, green to music, to name only a few. The system is foolproof. After all, who likes reading complex instruction manuals to understand how and why the system works? In the past, you had a simple ceiling lamp in your apartment and a light switch on the wall. Those needed to be directly connected. And when you moved the furniture or did some rebuilding, then both the switch and the light connector were still at the same spot. And the lamp that you plug in cannot even be operated by the switch. Now, with digitalSTROM, with the yellow terminals and the yellow push buttons, the lamp may be positioned everywhere throughout your apartment. It only needs power access and it will always communicate with that single one yellow switch. Even more important than a gain in comfort is the saving of energy. Even energy-efficient lights can be further dimmed with this chip. Only some time ago, expensive and bulky control systems would have been necessary for this. In the digital power network, every component provides information about its current energy consumption. This way, energy-intensive devices and, for instance, a leaking fridge can be detected immediately. In case of an unexpectedly high increase in energy consumption, the system raises an alarm. At this stage, the technology is ready to go into production. It usually takes some 18 months until new versions of products are launched, until technologies like this are incorporated in the products. This means we're expecting digital power-ready products to enter the market in the third or fourth quarter of 2009. Modern electricity meters provide for the rest in that they feed in information on current electricity tariffs. Devices like chest freezers may postpone their energy consumption to a time of the day when power is cheaper. When leaving an apartment equipped with digitalSTROM, a single keystroke suffices in order to switch off all dispensable appliances. No useless standby mode and no more danger coming from electric appliances that haven't been switched off.
Ja, wir haben jetzt beim Verlassen der Wohnung eine ganze Reihe von Stromverbrauchern, die brauchen wir gar nicht einzeln ausschalten.
Yes, there are now various electricity consumers that we don't need to switch off individually. We have the light, we have the telly, the coffee machine, the music is turned on, and there are a couple of other lights over here. These consumers add up to 925 watts. And when I leave, I don't need to run around and switch off every consumer separately. I simply press this button here in the hallway and instantly the music's turned off, the telly, the coffee machine. And I see that the energy consumption is below 30 watt now. With digital power technology, for the first time the foundations have been laid for improving energy efficiency and energy comfort without any noteworthy efforts. Now it's the industry's turn, because for the sufficient coverage of digital power, the big equipment manufacturers need to provide their products with the digital power chip. This will not make the products more expensive. the costs for the chip and its installation are very low. So eventually, it is also up to the large enterprises to realize the vision of intelligent power for every household.